If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Compass Latitude in Velvet Red Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7168.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.